don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm...
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I share with you small kitchen cupboard organizing hug. I got this space saving organizer from eBay, about £4, very cheap. Yes, this is very cheap, and this is how it looks when you organize it. How it's going to look: you can either decide to stack it on each other or spread it out to be longer as it's showing on the box, depending on which kind of cupboard you have. So I got this to try in my kitchen because the spaces I have in my kitchen cupboard, some of them are really tiny. So this is a good idea for me, and the kind of spices I have a lot of spices, so I said why not, this will be really good. Also, this is not for only spices, you can put other things onto it when it's in the cupboard. So let's get it all stuck on each other and put together so we can organize our kitchen cupboard. So yeah, I'm putting it all together. As you can see, it came undone already, like unorganized. So I have to put all the little pieces together, and this is how I did it. I'm showing you. You might come across this before and don't know how to do it. It's quite really easy. The first big part of it is already down for you, so all you have to do is just extend it and add the little pieces. I think it's even have a little manual inside, and if you look and follow the pictures on it, it's very easy to do this really. When you finish fixing this, you just adjust it to the size of your cupboard. If you have a little cupboard, you just close it. As you can see, the middle, there is like a space inside. You close it and it becomes smaller. And when it is a bigger cupboard, you can open it and to adjust to whichever size you want. You can even put 2 of it inside one cupboard, no problem at all. And it's also really strong. Not that it's quite cheap, £4, but it's quite strong to hold your spices and stuff. And so, as I showed you from the beginning of the video, you see how I put my spices on. Some of the spices are very tiny and some are bigger, so you can see when we finish, I'll show you how I did them and all that. So I hope you do enjoy this putting together. I'll put it together quick, and then I will share with you how it looks after organizing it. This is a really good idea for people who have very small kitchens without spaces. When you're struggling to put things like tiny stuff like tiny bottles of salt and all that, is so perfect to just hide inside your cupboard and stack things onto it. I believe when you have a taller kind of a cupboard, you can even stack 2 of this type of thing together, like making like 4 steps. Yeah, because it's designed that way that one of it can go at the top again also. Yep, so that's how it is, and you can see how it's becoming like a bit of a steps already. So the things goes to the side of it, as you can see. Yeah, when I finish, this is how my cupboard is looking already. I have a lot of spices organized, you know, some of them are covered behind and everywhere messed around. So when I'm going to cook or I need it, I just have to go all around and be like struggling to go to the back. Sometimes I'll bring 4 or 5 spices before I go in and get the one I want. So this is it now in the cupboard, all clean, and then it is there. You see how nice it is. It makes the whole place look very nice, neat and clean already. And so just putting the spices from the smaller ones at the top, and then putting the bigger, like medium size, in the center, and then the taller ones at the like very bottom of it, and those ones that are really tall, I just put it right in front of it, the finish. So this is how it is looking. I decided to raise the upper one a little bit higher because the spices at the top are not that too tall anyway. So yeah, and also after this, I'm deciding to get another one for the top one, the cupboard at the top. As you can see, that one is still messy, so this was just a trial and it has come out really good. So it's a good idea, you see, for the top cupboard that is showing the things messed up there. This will be very good, ideal for that cupboard, making it all very simple, cute, organized cupboard. This is a really good idea, you know, for anyone who don't have time to be organizing, cleaning the cupboard every day. This is just ideal, you know. It's really good idea for me. It works really well. You just turn around, any spice you want, you just take it. One good thing is that if you also want to keep the bottles when you use your spices, most of them like these smaller sizes, perfect. When you finish the spice in it, you can just clean it out and then maybe just put your new spice or anything you want inside. The reason why I say this is because the stacking of the thing that is inside the unit, the cupboard, as you can see, is a bit smaller, perfect for those bottle sizes. So I think that would be a good idea. Or get yourself You can see some 3 or 4 different bit of bottles that are at the side there. They are different bottles that I got. I think they're even a yogurt. I think I bought some yogurt, organic yogurt, that came like that in that little glass bottles with like a brown lid. Yes. So when I finish it, I wash them out and I'm using those bottles. They look just like spice bottles. No one will, when somebody tells you that it is from yogurt, you won't believe it. You think it's like a set of bottles that I bought just for this. No, I use something that I got from yogurt for this, so which is perfect. So now you can see how organized my cupboard is looking. All nice, everything is in place. When I want anything, I just grab it very quickly without going to take 1 2 3 4 before I get to the next one. And you see there is even a lot of space that is even left in front, and all clean and nice, really good. And as I'm touching it for you to see, it's quite really strong and stuck really well onto the thing. So what I did is I already arranged it before putting it in. So when I was putting it into the cupboard, I closed it a little bit to be smaller, if you get what I mean. Yeah, thumbs up. I closed it smaller to be the size small before I stuck it in. When I put it into the cupboard, I opened it. I extended it here. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about